Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we're going to see how to resolve Docker issue, which we recently see when it comes to installation. That is purely because of the permissions which we have in ProgramData. So without any further ado, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please hit a subscribe button, and if you like this video, please give a like and comment down below. So we often see when we are installing the Docker, in recent versions, right? It has some permissions issues, so which we need to take down the permissions using with Windows. I mean, using Windows commands. Like we have to run those commands on PowerShell. I'll give this commands in the description of the video. You guys can copy from there. Okay. So as you can see, there's a command in ChatGPT I have opened, which is nothing but takedown/f, and it goes to the program data and then Docker desktop, and we have some permissions which A, R, and D and Y. So to do that, I would suggest you go to File Explorer, which I'm going to now go now. Then navigate, open a File Explorer, and try to run this Docker, and you should see this error pops up here, right? This is what we need to fix now. So for doing that, we need to go to C drive and then show hidden files. Okay, to show hidden files, there's a button called view on the top. You just have to go there and click on this and show hidden file. That's it. So all your files will be popped up like this, and you can see the program data. So we need to go inside program data. Then you should see the Docker desktop got created. So how this Docker desktop is created is whenever you start an installation, right? So the Docker desktop, before giving an error, it automatically creates this Docker desktop as as a folder. So once that Docker desktop folder is created, it will be easy for us to give a permissions to this folder, and our whatever error it will go off. So now, as we have this Docker desktop, I'm going to close this window now. Now let's head back to the ChatGPT, copy the command, and here again we need to open terminal admin. Okay, so that means that we need to open a terminal in an admin permissions. So it's called as terminal admin. It's also known as PowerShell with the admin privileges. Okay, if you don't have this, you can also use run as administrator. How to open this, whatever tab I open, it's a shortcut key. Just have to press Windows and X. You can see the terminal admin. You can open that terminal admin. Then you can just copy the first command. Okay. Then it shows that success administration group has been added. Now another command. All right. So these two commands are done, and the third command is for the Docker folder. I'll show if you use this. I mean, we're not going to create any Docker folder, just in case in future. In previous before this Docker desktop we had Docker, so that's the reason I think Docker folder also ChatGPT is referring. But we need Docker desktop, not Docker, so that's the reason it won't be able to do. We don't need this command. And now let's run the Docker desktop installation. Okay, so I think it got fixed, right? So we're able to see this configuration. Allow Windows containers to be used with this installation. You can also tick if you want to. I usually prefer that option. I'm going to click that and I'm going to press OK. And make sure that you already installed WSL. WSL is nothing but a Linux machine inside your Windows, which will support for your Docker containers. So if you haven't installed, it is very easy. Just go for PowerShell and just do WSL space install. It will automatically install this WSL. So let's wait for this Docker desktop to unpack all the files and install this. Let's see. It will take some time for beginning. Okay, so I think we should be good. So the moment you restart your Docker, the moment you restart your system, I think you should be good with it. Okay, so I think this is it. So if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below if you have any doubts or queries. I'll get back to you soon. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching.